This car hasn't moved in a long time, but every project starts somewhere.
Thanks.
A deal is done. Respect always comes first.
Now, the real work begins.
Same car, same color, blue, and it stays consistent throughout the build.
Panels are tired, gaps aren't right, but nothing here is beyond repair. We're not driving it yet. First, we load it properly.
Every step matters. One mistake here can cost everything.
This blue car has seen better days, but not its last.
From rust to road, this is where the story truly starts.
Everything is strapped down, no shortcuts.
This blue car is rough, really rough.
Everything here feels tired.
You can tell this car hasn't been cared for in a long time.
This headlight barely does its job anymore.
This is exactly how we found it, no tricks.
Rust is already creeping in.
Nothing here is solid anymore.
And we haven't even started fixing it yet. This paint has potential, but it's buried. From this condition, we're bringing it back to life.
Let's see what we're really dealing with under here.
This hasn't been touched in years.
Even the basics are falling apart.
Nothing here is fresh. Everything needs attention.
We take it apart slowly. No rushing.
This is the real starting point.
Simple tools, honest work.
Every bolt tells its own story.
This car has been neglected, not abused.
Now the rebuild officially begins.
This bumper has taken a lot of hits.
It's worse once you remove it.
No surprise here.
This headlight is finished.
Time hasn't been kind to this.
Cleaning starts before rebuilding.
This is years of buildup.
Still a long way to go.
Still a long way to go.
Now you can really see the condition.
We rebuild it piece by piece.
We rebuild it piece by piece.
This hose has completely given up. No flexibility left at all. Nothing comes off easily on an old car. This opens things up. Every part gets organized. No guessing later. Old wiring is always a concern.
We clean first, then decide what stays.
Progress doesn't look pretty at first.
This one will need replacing.
This is the foundation of the rebuild.
This interior tells the same story as the outside.
Comfort is completely gone here. We start stripping it down.
This hasn't been cleaned in years. This needs serious attention. Both seats are coming out.
No saving this carpet.
The dashboard has aged badly. Everything has to come apart.
Now we rebuild it properly. Now we have a clean base to work with. This will make a huge difference inside.
The foundation of the new interior.
This already feels like a new car. This already feels like a new car. Consistency matters.
This changes the mood instantly.
This changes the mood instantly.
This doesn't feel old anymore.
Now we start putting things back together.
Everything goes back carefully.
No shortcuts at this stage. No shortcuts at this stage.
Every connection matters.
Every connection matters.
The engine bay finally looks respectable. The engine bay finally looks respectable.
Fresh fluids for a fresh start.
We make sure everything is right.
This is the moment of truth.
Now we let it warm up.
Time to reveal what we've built.
This color still has life.
Details bring everything together.
The small things matter.
This doesn't look like the same car.
From rust to road.
It's back where it belongs. It's back where it belongs.
Comfort and control finally together.
This build was worth every step.